Hello guys, is your auto brightness not working on Samsung S25 Plus? I will help you with that. Let's get going. So the first thing we are gonna do, we are gonna go to settings. Then at the bottom of the screen you have a search bar, you press it, and then look for adaptive brightness. As you can see, it's here. And this, you just can press, you can just look here. You can just look for display here, and you have it here. Adaptive brightness. You can toggle it off, toggle it on. I will show you how it works. Yes, for example, as you can see, it's very dark. Yes, I press the adaptive brightness here. It's automatically brightens. If you go to, for example, the place where there is a sun, for example, it will like this. It will darken, and if you go to a dark place, it will automatically brighten up. Okay. The next thing you need to do, if it didn't work, you need to clean the ambient light sensor. It's near the front camera. It's somewhere here. You can just take something like this, and you clean it. Here, you cleaned it. Okay. The next thing we are gonna do, we are gonna restart the phones, so the sensors refresh. If it didn't work, we go to settings. Go to settings and look for software updates. Software updates here, and you check for updates. My software is up to date. Yours could be some little bit older. Your software could be a little bit older, so that's why the auto brightness wouldn't work. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye. I hope you like and subscribe.